We all know what chairs are meant for. They are meant to support you when you are sitting. But do we just use it for sitting? Let's look at a few different use cases. People stand on top of chairs to change light bulbs. It's not the primary use of a chair, but using a chair is much more convenient than using a stepladder. Look at this couple now, doing aerobics on a couple of chairs. Things like these make me wonder if the designer ever thought their chair will be used for this purpose. Then comes the chair, that one chair we all have or don't. It's a chair by the day, and by the night, it holds all our clothes. So as long as designers and manufacturers keep making durable and strong products, users will keep finding alternative ways to use those products. Some of these ways are so different they can be unique to just one user. There's nothing wrong in finding alternative uses to products. In fact, in a lot of cases it's known to increase the lifespan of a product. Think of one of these plastic cold drink bottles that will otherwise go to a huge pile of plastic waste. However, this is often used by typical middle-class Indian families to store drinking water. Now look at the same bottle being used to water plants. They have just poked a few holes in the cap. Again, if you are from a middle-class Indian family, your kitchen probably looks like this. It's very common for us to use old jam jars and pickle jars to store pulses, rice, and other things. It is not just cost-effective and sustainable, it also is a good advertisement for the product, so it's a win-win for everyone. So the next time you are designing a product, design it with an open mind and consider multiple use cases. Well, that will be all for today's video. Don't forget to hit a like if you loved the video and subscribe for more such content. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, have fun.